Warm lentil and potato salad recipe. Yield, 4 cups. Prep time, 3 minutes. Cook time, 25 minutes. Total time, 28 minutes. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters vegetable oil. 1 medium onion, diced. 1 cup 200 grams green lentil preferably soaked. Overnight, optional. 1 cup 250 milliliters water. Half a teaspoon ground turmeric powder. 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 potato, diced into 1 centimeter chunks. Directions. 1. Add oil and onions to a medium-sized pot on medium-high heat and sauté until the onions are lightly browned, approximately 5 minutes. 2. Add remaining ingredients. Partially cover, bring to a boil, reduce heat to a simmer. Note, do not cover with a lid entirely as the lentils and water create a foam that will overflow. 3. Stir once or twice until the lentils are soft and the potatoes cooked, approximately 20 minutes. Notes. 1. Want the meal to cook quicker? Cut the potatoes into smaller cubes, although I like to allow it to simmer a little longer so all the flavors and spices infuse. 2. It's true that lentils do not need to be soaked prior to cooking, but I highly recommend it. There may be more health benefits associated with prior soaking, even if for a couple hours. Soaking also serves to quicken the cooking process. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends.